Welcome to SmartBlox. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find all the free items in the avatar shop. One of you guys asked this in my last video, which I'm so happy you took an interest. So, before we begin, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications so you know when I post another premiere, which of course is on Sundays, 12 p.m. Eastern. Done with all that? Great, let's head on over to the avatar shop. Go under any category you want. Let's say I want a shoulder accessory. I'll go to accessories and shoulder. Now this page should show up. Scroll down and click free under price. And scroll back up and you can see the only free item is the Happy New Year wrap. Let's try another one. Let's do shirts. Go under shirt, and then it'll still be under free. And you can see there are a lot more free items under the shirts. Let's do faces. Again, this is all the free faces if you have this free thing on. Thank you everyone for watching. If this helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications so you know when I get another premiere. That's it for SmartBlox here, and I'll see you in the next tutorial next week. Same time, same place. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.